Then eventually you made your way to dynamic ratings. And what's your current role at Dynamic Ratings?
So current roles, I'm global product manager and a technology officer and stuff. Where it fits is really, with utility experience, I can relate to where the customer is coming from, where their challenges are. And so I'm not just talking about the product, I'm talking more about how the product relates to them. And how they can use the product.
That is fantastic.
With We Energies, it was, I did a lot of condition-based and periodic condition-based,
right.
Just foil sampling, things like that.
Well, that's all we could do if we wanted to do something, right?
Yep. Yeah. We didn't have the money to take it out of service to inspect it. So it was, I sort of got exposed to the condition-based maintenance side of it, which was an excellent background, prior to joining Dynamic Ratings, because that was actually making my life easier because now I was doing it continuously online instead of just periodic tests.